Hey guys, it's Concept here, and I am back for another episode of Malevolence. So, although it doesn't look like, I've gotten some more horses here. Um, yeah, Alex just decided to spawn in a bunch rather than worrying about backing up the world and potentially messing up some other entities nearby here. Um, aka his chickens. I don't know if that's the reason, but either way, I'm totally okay with this. In fact, I suggested just spawning in a bunch of horses and I will build back the breed. Um, so far, I only have one black and no. I put you in the wrong one. I have no gray and one black. Um, but I do. I did transfer horses over to my area, so I have one of each color over there. The only thing I was missing was donkeys, which he gave me 5 of. So that's a good thing. Um, but yeah, I don't think these horses have very good base attributes, so I'm definitely going to have to breed them a lot to get some good run, jump, and health. I think there's one. What color is it? One of you guys? Which one? There's one of these horses that has like 14 health. So that'll be my health attribute. As for run attribute, we'll be getting to that in this video. And jump, I think there was a good jumper in there. I'm not quite sure. But if I come back here, you'll notice my beacon is here. And that is because in this back canyon that nobody seems to be using, I am going to be building a horse speed tester. Actually, I'm going to be building a whole entire horse testing area back here, complete with snow to see just how high they jump. I think accurate to 1/8 of a meter. I think it takes 8 snow to stack up to 1. But yeah, that'll be in this area and probably not in this video. This video is going to be the redstone of this here. So, yeah, let me put my diamond horse armor away. Let me not forget about these things here, because I forgot I put all my pickaxes here at one point. So yeah, I went and got Rock Smasher 3, even though I've still got Rock Smasher 1 right here. I lost Rock Smasher 2 because I was mining and it broke. But anyway, so let me get rid of this gravel. It was just to mark out how big I needed it to be. And I think I want to start at this line here. So let me see. Where is the middle? I'm going to guess the middle's about here. Let me confirm that. So no, I was one off. I need to go right here. I should get you on here. Alright. So then, this is going to be the 10th of a second counter here. So, it's going to go like that. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, I only needed 5. What am I doing? I need to get rid of this one as well. Alright, so how much room did I leave over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's probably more than that's needed. Alright, backboard. Should probably do that out of smooth stone. I can always come back and change this later. Alright, and how this one is going to go right in the middle here. Gonna go out 2 and 2. Nope, another 1 in each side. This is going to be the seconds counter. And then up another 2. This here will be the ready indicator. So, wow, I actually made that. So let me fill in this wall. Alright, so there's the indicators right there. Obviously the rest of the wall will be filled in. And did I do that right? For some reason, no. That's good. It just looks odd because on my test world I do have another layer of stone there, but that could be any material. It's just a roof at that point. Oh, you know what I didn't bring was wool for the redstone, which is going to be all back here, which is why there's a giant gaping hole back here. And if I need to expand it, I've got the haste effect. So I will be back once I grab some multicolor wool. Alright, so I realized that I forgot quartz as well. Why am I'm recording in full screen. Alright, the first part of this video is going to be the wrong resolution, and it's going to be fixed starting now. Hopefully that doesn't add too much time to the render, but yes. So as I was saying, I've got gray horse here as well as black spotted. So well, actually I've also got a black. I didn't know I lured two black horses over here. But yeah, I have one of every color except for donkey over here. So yeah, back to the project I go. Alright, so now for the redstone. So what I'm going to be doing, got wool on each one of these here. I should probably do not that completely, but underneath here as well, just so people know that this is important if they run into it. But yes, on the back of every one of these here, I'm going to be putting a repeater like this. This will take, or each repeater will take 1 tick to turn on after getting power. So each down the line here, this is going to take 5 ticks total to get to the end. 5 repeaters, right? Yep. Alright, so then I'm going to take power from, which one is it here? I've got my test world open with this design on my laptop. So I'm going to skip these two and go for this here. Going to be like that, right? Alright, that seems about right. So on here, I should have redstone on my bar. I'm going to need to get more redstone. But I'm going to have this to here, and then, yep, repeater like that, another dust, and torch here, redstone there to complete the circuit. So now, if I look at this here, it's going to be blinking like this, and yes, I have tested it out. This does work pretty well, as long as there's no lag. There was a little bit of lag there. So now what I need is a couple more repeaters. So I'm going to go make those. Alright, so now we're going to use redstone locking. So now if I put this here, and let's say put a torch right here, it's going to stop wherever it was. So if I look at this here, we've got 4 of them lit up and 1 of them not. If I continue along this here, just let it go for another couple ticks there, we've got these 3 lit and these 2 not. Now this is not a glitch, and that's a reason why I've got 5 redstone lamps here. So if this lamp is on, then it's 1, and all the rest are off. So this on, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then this one turns off, the rest are still on. 6, 7, 8, 9, and technically 10. But yeah, 0.9 and 0.0 are kind of odd in the way they are. But yeah, that's the only like, I don't know. It keeps 1 second per second. I'll just say that. I know that for sure. So I'm just gonna leave this system like this for now. And that is our green circuit complete. So let me get, you know what? I don't need torches right now. So let me get, what do I want to do next? Red on my bar. Is it turning nighttime? Yes, it is. So I'm going to sleep. Alright. So for the red circuit, again, Or now we're going to be using this here, an extra one. Oh, I need a chest, so I'm going to make that right now. Alright, so up here, we're going to have redstone all the way down. Where was... Is this the last one? Yes, it was. Alright, so now we're going to have one extra here, and then... I am not prepared, am I? I don't have another repeater, or not a repeater, a comparator. So I'll go get that too. Alright, so let's get back to this. Got some comparators now. Did I only make 2 out of that whole thing? Alright, I'm gonna need more at some point. Why did I do that? I need that. Alright, so there's that one extra, then a comparator, then I need the chest to go right here, and we'll be coming back to this later. I'm going to need a lot of iron for hoppers, because this right here is going to get filled up with items, and that will give a signal strength. Turns out that for every 2 full stacks, past the 1 at least, it will gain another power. So if I add these 2 in here, it's now at 3, or it's indicating 2. That's why there's that extra 1 there. It only takes 1 item to get this one, and then the second item to get this one. From there on out, it's every 2 items. I'll leave it at that. Alright. So now more resource collecting, which I tried to do all of this beforehand, but I kept forgetting things. So I'll be back in a second. Alright, so here's how this is going to work. Up here, if I can, I need to get this on my bar. So right here, we're gonna have, nope, 3 droppers facing up. Hopefully, nope. Gonna have to go like this. Actually, I should have broken this one. So then, from here, I'm gonna put 2 more. I'm gonna put 2 more or 3 more of these like that. Let me get back up there. These ones are going to be like that, and then from here we feed these over. And I made 1 too many, it looks like. Yep. Alright, so now if we come back up here, and I need, where do I need this? Oh, I fed it to the wrong place. Like I did on my test world as well. So this is going to be difficult. And I should probably get rid of these anyway. So those are going to go in the chest, aren't they? Or did they all go in my inventory? I don't think they did. Can I get lower? Yes, I can. Alright, so these ones here, going to be comparators. Hopefully those are facing the correct way. I think they are. And I'm actually going to get red wool on the back here. Alright. So now, yeah, they definitely went into here, or where did they go? Oh, they're in the bottom one here. There's nothing stopping them at the moment. So, like that. That's not what I want. I want it like this. That one went back there. Ah, come on. Alright. No, it didn't. Probably dropped all the way down, knowing my luck. Where did that hopper go? Or dropper. No, hopper. I was right the first time. Ah, there it is. Alright. So that completes that thing. That's exactly how it was on my test world. So now we need to hook these up somehow. So what did I do here? I did 2 out like that. Then 2 down here. This one should have been red. So then what I did is I took from the green here into that. I'm also taking some red here, and it's nighttime again. Really? I'm gonna move this inside here so I can just pop into bed. And actually, you know what? Just so we don't have to deal with mobs, I'm gonna do this. And same thing on the other side. I don't want any creepers in here, that's the main thing. If a spider gets in, I'll deal with them. But no creepers. Alright. So anyway, like this. Where does this one go? This one connects up to this end one here. Right? Yep. Then just like that. And some more redstone. I placed something somewhere. There it is. Alright. So now what this is doing, I think I just changed the timing on something. What did I do? Did I place another redstone that I didn't need to? Everything looks fine. Alright. So now on here, gonna have a redstone torch up, and then like this. So now what is happening is basically when so it's checking when both this line here, which means that repeater and that repeater are off. That will only happen whenever it's on the way, or when will that happen? That will happen, so that'll happen on the way when it's counting up. Yeah. I've tested this on my test world. This logic seems to hold. It would be better if I could get it from this one here and that one, because that would mean it's exactly at the second, but it doesn't seem like I can. Well, it would be difficult to run power from here all the way up. I guess it is doable. I'd have to change some things around. Maybe it's not doable. I don't know. But anyways, this logic seems to work, and I'm sticking with it. So now we're going to go with the blue line. Alright, so blue line is the reset line. So green is every 10th of a second, red is every second, blue resets the whole thing. So what I need, and I have this here just to block, is how many across here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. So that's 3, 4, 5. And we're going to come down here a little bit. I don't know how far yet. I should actually probably build the stuff that I actually want to run. So, alright. So this is going to be going into a little thing like this. We're going to have, I don't have a crafting table in here. That's one thing I need from out here. Good thing I've got an extra one made. And get this off. Nope. Need that. Alright, crafting table. I need a block of redstone. And that's going to be pushed back and forth by this reset line. And right now, should be in the off position, so I can get rid of that. Yep, I think, yep, everything looks just fine. Going in, yep. Alright, so reset line goes to here, then it'll branch off like this, and I need another, I have it red, so I'm going to keep it red like that, just to prevent crosstalk. Alright, then I have out here and around, and how far do I need this? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down here, I think I can get rid of this one. Yep. Oh, yep. So this guy here is going to continue on. This is where another branch right here. So this is going to be a repeater going into there at full delay. It's going to bring the signal down to here. Did I do this right? I didn't. I'm missing something somewhere. Or counted wrong or something. No, this is good. So out to like this. Get rid of these guys. Put in blue. So one like that, and then 2 more repeaters, also full delay. So what this is going to do is it's going to come through, activate this, pushing this out of the way, allowing for everything, or for the green line to go. Then it is going to come and turn it back off after 1.2 seconds. And that's 4 ticks times 3. So then this here, obviously that's just going to let this run for a little bit. So we need some way to actually make sure this torch is off. And what we're going to do, in my test world I was standing on something. But what we're going to do with this is have a little timer keeping this on. So I need more repeaters. I'm going to make those. Alright. So repeater goes like that. Oh, I need 2 more hoppers. Good thing I brought extra iron. So another one like that. And this is a timer or whatever that I did not make. So, and I forget who it was that did make this. So thank you to whoever. I need more torches as well. Keep forgetting to make things. Lots of redstone needed when messing with redstone. Alright. So torch goes like that there. It's also going to go like this. This is going to be comparator on here. Need more comparators as well. Derp. So this. That's not where I wanted. May as well. So it's going to go like that. Not quite. Well, kind of. So from here, also bringing that out, right? Now from here, bringing signal out. Both of these are running into here. Get another torch and a redstone leading into that block. We're going to have the comparators on here, and I think 8 items, so I'm going to make those. Alright, so comparator like that, and that's not, what did I do here? Oh, comparator like that. Then we got our hoppers facing into each other. And this didn't eat it, that it did, so I'll put some dirt in there, why not? I probably need to get some more. Yeah, let's just grab another half stack, why not? And put that in here. Nope. Just want 8 items. 8 items seems to be about right. So now we're going to get into some messy part. So I won't explain this clock. You can look at it and see how it works, kind of. I'm just using it as a pulse extender because it takes a little while for items to flow out of this system here and back into these droppers. And I'm going to be stealing items from probably the Skelly farm to put in there. Alright, so now from this guy, we're going to have an interesting little thing going on here. I can't put under there. And one on top. There's going to be a torch right here. This is going to go this way. And this right here is actually the locking mechanism for this chest, keeping the items in. I forgot about this part here. And yes, there is another repeater there for a reason. And actually these repeaters are set up like this for a reason. So, yeah. So that locks this, so items will actually stay inside of the chest instead of flowing out. So now, going the other way here, get this. Oh, this is the status light. What did I do? Ah, that's the missing piece of the puzzle. It was on the other side from where I was looking. Got that. So now, let's go see what's going on here. So once we press this button, signal comes down here. It will turn this system on. At the same time, just one tick later, items will, or actually, I guess 3 ticks later technically, items will start flowing into here. Actually, that's actually quite a bit of ticks later. So items will flow into here. Another tick, this will turn on, this will turn off, these will turn, or this will turn off, and then this will turn on, allowing this to stay lit. So then, also at the same time, items are let out of here and flow into this system, which I haven't put the redstone in for this item lift yet. It's actually quite simple. Oh, can they get in here? I don't think their pathfinding is smart enough, but just in case. So yeah, that's how that works. And now what we need... Ah, yes, I'm going to put in the status light here. So from here, I'm going to run a line all the way up. So what did I do here? I went up, another one here. I can't go up there. Get closer. So like this, all the way across. Put another one in there, why not? Oh no! Still got it on the way down there. Maybe I should sleep just to get these mobs away. This is our status light right here. And that is now on. And I should probably light this up. I don't have torches. Why? Can't rest now, there are monsters nearby. Will you not do this? Can I rest now? Nope. Alright. I'm gonna have to get rid of the zombie apocalypse here. Alright, finally got rid of them. Let me get rid of this carrot. Well, get rid of... whatever. I'll keep them. Why not? Alright. So. What else do I need to do here? What was I going to do? Torch. I was going to light this up. You know what else I should do? Grab some more blue. Because I brought extras for a reason. Nope, that's the one I want. Alright, so status light is working. And that's basically just when this torch is off here, meaning that this system is resetting things. And what else do I need to do here? I need to put in the green and orange line, which are the on and off. But I'll worry about that in a second. That's actually going to come through here, so. Red line. Red line railroad. Nah. So, out 3 here, again out 3 like this. Gonna have this up to here and one like that. That's a good shape. I need another comparator, of course, right after I break the crafting table. I need more. Alright, comparator is coming out here. Put into a regular repeater. Regular repeater's at one tick, right? I think so. Yep, looks like it. So got this loop here. Yep. So gonna have it like that. Except also taking from here. That's going up to there. So there we go. Alright, so now when there's an item in here, after, I guess, 2 ticks of delay, well, actually, this is just a clock here. It's a 2-tick clock. And it only works when there's items, not full amount of items here, but some items in this dropper. Then the signal will come out here and power this bottom dropper right there. It's also going to power this middle one from this line. Then we're going to come up here and power this top one. And that's because this block is powered. So then everything will feed into here. One item will get left behind per tick here, but that's alright. So then they'll feed back into these droppers. Again, the droppers, whenever the red line here is hit, one item will be dispensed from each, put into here. It needs 2 items to get each one, so that's how the seconds work. Now all that's needed is the orange and the green line. And by green, I mean dark green. So let me go get some more wool here. I'm not exactly sure where all of this is going to be going at the moment. So I'm just going to run some, just where it needs to go. So let me get over here, see where I've actually connected it to. So green line is the start line. And I could feed this the other way, but I'm not gonna. So green is the start line, and orange right here. Gonna have it go like into the ground here, like that. Gonna need one to prevent crosstalk, and a repeater here again to prevent crosstalk. From here though we can go up, and I had ore splitter on this whole time. Man. So this is going to go out here. And I can fill this back in. And out that away. I have to figure out where exactly I'm going to be putting these. And then I have to make sure that the green line and the orange line are set on the same delay. But I'm going to run these, get a test going on here, and oh, you know what I should do? I should test the reset. Alright, so status light is not on yet. that means it won't be ready. There it goes. So I have nothing preventing this system from starting while it's still resetting. It just won't be accurate. So yeah, I need to, I'll set up a test and see if this thing is working. So be back in a second. Alright. So, yeah. I think I figured out what some of the lag is. Oh. How many of these guys are there? Do we have a zombie spawner down here that nobody knows about? Alright, I need to get rid of some of these items here. That's 5 eggs so far. You're causing all sorts of trouble down here, you chicken. Alright, you died too. Alright. How many eggs are there? So I've got 2 stacks right now. I'm gonna see how many I can get up to. 2 stacks and 4, it looks like, is the magic number here. Yeah, I think I found the problem with some of our lag. Let me get a chest going here. Of course, I didn't bring a crafting table. I don't know why I didn't empty my inventory before, though. Alright. Let me put random stuff in here. Let me see if I can find that zombie spawner. Well, no spawner. But I definitely found our problem. Alright. So I need to tell Alex about this at some point. But for now, I'm going to get back to work on the... you know what? I'm going to be lazy. I'm going to get back to work on the horse tester. So I'll be back. Alright, so I grabbed a bunch of bows from the skeleton farm. It doesn't matter what durability they are, they just need to be a full item. So if I step on this, we'll see that it is counting up 1 second. And yeah, don't be deceived by the little bit of lag. It does take a little while after the second for it to go. And is it going? Yep. It will stop for a second. That barely reset in time. Alright. So if I test this out, I should get, well, sprinting, I should get 4.1. Let's see if I actually do. 3.9. Did I move this one closer or something like that? Let me look. Try again. Alright. Running start. I have no speed effect, right? 3.8. Haste doesn't affect speed, does it? I don't think it does. Alright, let's try this again, just to see. Oh! 3.3? Oh, I probably hit it before it was done resetting. Let's wait for the status light to come on, shall we? Ready? There it is. Alright, here we go. Oh, don't run out of run. Ugh, barely. How am I getting faster? Maybe this little bit of lag has something to do with it. Alright. Let's try this again. This was like perfectly accurate on my test world. When I was sprinting, it would come out to 4.1 every single time. 3.9. Oh, I've also got it. Alright, that's another thing. I have it 1 tick later here because it's 3 ticks here. Well, it's 3 ticks to go into that one. Here on the orange line, it is also 1, 2, and 3 ticks. In my test world, I only had green line as 2 ticks. So that may be affecting things. And that, actually, let's try it. If I only put on 2 ticks and reset this again, we can get ready to go. Let's see if it'll go 4.1. Yep, 4.1. Awesome. So it is working just fine. Let me just add in that extra 1 tick. Yeah, that 0.9 is actually, I think, a 10. So it would be 4 dead. I'm not sure. The distance, well, in between the pressure plates, not including the pressure plates, is 21 blocks. So 21 meters. I'm probably going to have it further back, something like this here, to maybe the same spot here. I'll have to count it out, make sure it's an even number. I'm not sure if I should make it based on 10 or based on 2, because, you know, binary versus decimal. But I'll figure that out. I'll have something more hidden than this thing here. I mean, that's kind of obvious. There's green wool coming out here. But I'll make sure that the timings are actually the same rather than on my test world. But anyway, I think that is all I'm going to be able to do for this video. I think it's been, well, as of recording, it's been an hour. How long actually, it's been way more than an hour. Almost 2, I think. But as far as the video, probably much less than that because I had to make supplies and make cuts here and there and everywhere. So, I think that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later.